Sophisticated design, purity of lines, and integrity of the concept are the key features of any iconic architectural project. The Lakhta Center is a prime example that confirms this rule. It has nothing superfluous, a clean and airy silhouette made complete by the spire, a stylistically essential element in any skyscraper. The spire's parts are put around the tower's central reinforced concrete core and rest on the slab of level 83 at the points of the building's columns. The spire's steel structures weigh over 2,000 tons. Column parts are pre-assembled on the ground and lifted to the skyscraper top by cranes, where the main assembly is done. The columns are fastened with steel crossbars, upon which glass units and metal mesh facades are installed. The spire extends the shape of the building and represents a pyramid with edges meeting at the top. It logically completes the complex geometry of the 462-meter-tall skyscraper. The frame of the spire comprises 8 main levels, made of steel pipes ranging from 1 to 1.5 meters in diameter, and finishes with an 8-meter-tall element. The Lakhta Center spire is not only beautiful, but also functional. Its operated level at the altitude of 360 meters will house the highest observation deck in Russia and Europe. It'll occupy the building's top floors from 83 to 86. The complex shape of the building excludes using traditional facade cleaning methods and requires special engineering solutions. The space right above the observation deck will house a depot for a unique building maintenance system with a kind of a vertical train moving along the rails installed in the edges of the tower between the facade panels. Such a system makes it possible to clean or replace glass panels even in the most hard-to-get-to places on the complex surface of the skyscraper. In addition, the spire will also house HVAC systems for the top levels of the Lakhta Center tower, MEP systems, communications equipment, weather sensors. The design of the spire considers the environmental features. During the bird migration season, special blue lights will turn on that birds can easily see. This should prevent them from crashing into the skyscraper. The spire's facade's lower part consists of energy-efficient glass units. The facades of the skyscraper's upper part are made of functional steel mesh rather than glass. The panels are fixed to the load-bearing elements with steel girders. There will be no glazing there. Using a mesh instead of glass significantly decreases the weight of the spire, reduces wind loads and sail structure, and prevents frosting. In freezing weather, the open work mesh will be covered with fine crystals looking like light snow. Precipitations are not dangerous for the spire. The equipment and steel structures are effectively protected from corrosion. Spires are the most recognizable elements in the classic St. Petersburg cityscape, creating the image of the northern capital. The silhouettes of the Peter and Paul Fortress and the Admiralty are known all over the world. Lakhta Center will become an architectural dominant of the modern St. Petersburg and yet another landmark in the cityscape.